Cleanup efforts still underway in Florida a week after Idalia flooded communities on the state's west coast. State and local authorities still assessing the damage done to homes and beaches. Eben Brown has the latest.
We had 8 inches of water in the garage and about 4 inches in the house.
1 week after Idalia made landfall as a Category 3 hurricane, Florida officials say power has been restored to nearly every customer who lost electricity. Now, folks on the state's Gulf Coast are repairing the damage left behind.
We're cutting drywall out. We're cutting all the cabinets are done, the bathrooms, the kitchens. The dishwasher was shot.
In Pinellas County, Idalia caused significant damage to beaches when it washed away sand and dunes. Government officials say they're working with state and federal authorities to replenish that sand and protect barrier islands. Some researchers, though, say it is the worst beach erosion they've seen.
This storm has eroded significant amount of the dune that we have built over the last decade, 2 decades, and 3 decades. This time, some of our beaches are quite narrow, were quite narrow before the storm.
Folks in more than a dozen Florida counties are eligible for FEMA assistance following the storm, but with a number of severe weather events this year, FEMA's disaster fund is running out of money. Some fear the situation could get worse if Congress fails to reach a spending agreement by the end of September.
Anything would help, because flood insurance does not cover for displacement, for us to go anywhere and stay. We have to do that on our own.
The eastern U.S. is now keeping its eye on a cyclone called Lee, which could whip up dangerous rip currents along the coast next week. In Miami, Eben Brown, Fox News.